Thanks for tuning into my Bollywood Body. मैं आपका host Sunny with Regan Grimes. Today we're going to show you what Regan Grimes does when he's not doing back or shoulders or legs or abs or taking selfies or updating his Instagram status or going out for a walk with his dog and a wife and a cat and what else do you have? A mouse and a hamster. He's training chest in the gym. Let's get going, bro. His favorite workout. So we asked him, Paji Regan, what do you do when you go to a gym? For example, if it's your chest day, what are you going to do? So he said, I normally start off with cross cable flies, pre-exhaust, if I said it right? Yeah. See, now I can speak fluent English as well. Pre-exhaust cross cable flies. The idea behind, the concept behind doing this exercise, 5 sets of 20 repetitions. आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ब्लड रश करें अपने मसल के अंदर. सो पंप सी हम जब भी घूमते हैं अपने वीडियोस के अंदर के जो बॉडी बिल्डर्स हैं, प्रो बॉडी बिल्डर्स हैं, व्हेन दे वर्क आउट दे डू प्री एग्जॉस्ट. सो हम जैसे आपको एक्सरसाइज में कराते हैं ना, डंबल लेके चेस्ट प्रेस 25-30 रेपिटेशंस. सो दैट्स एग्जैक्टली व्हाट वी आर डूइंग हियर. क्रॉस केबल फ्लाइज, 5 सेट, 20 repetition, quality. Come up, squeeze, stretch, squeeze. 5 sets of 20 repetitions. That's your number 1 exercise, cross cable flies. The whole idea behind this exercise to get a nasty pump, to put your chest under stress, because now we're going to damage the shit out of your chest. Right, big guy?
That's right.
Okay. Now we're going to do, come on, bro, these are baby weights. Get some big ones. Get 100.
Want to go 100?
Yeah, you can go 120. 100 is good, right? Get any weights. Because then people will be like, we use fake weights. Bro, a little bit different than Bulwinder Martin. Let's go. No, I didn't give, nobody shouted. Let's go. Up. So now we're doing incline chest presses. One of the favorite exercises of every single bodybuilder. You'll see a lot of bodybuilders. Matter of fact, YouTube is full of those videos where bodybuilders are hitting upper chest, incline presses, incline barbell, incline flies. It's very rare that I come across bodybuilders are doing flat bench presses. Incline press. Regan, when you're done your set, because I don't want to I want to make sure that you compete and you don't end up doing any damage. So you finish off your 6 to 8 quality reps, and then we'll talk about it. Stretch, squeeze. See, chin tucked in. You stretch the muscle, you squeeze the muscle. The whole idea is to get lots and lots of blood and oxygen. Pre-exhaust, pehle apni chest pump ki. Now this is where you do the magic by lifting heavy and tearing your muscle fibers. Exactly. So now you tell me. When it comes to the incline chest press, why bodybuilders like to do a lot of incline rather than flat? I've noticed, I've searched, every time I search, YouTube is full of those videos. Why is that?
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people lack the upper chest development. So, hitting an exercise like this after the pre-exhaust, definitely you're going to add tissue there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's what you recommend. And now, say for an example,
but again, you got to hit all different angles all the time.
Okay.
So, we're going to start. We started with the pre-exhaust of the flies, and then we're going to hit the upper chest, and then we're going to hit the mid chest and lower chest all in one workout. Okay.
So what do you recommend? So there I said, okay, we're going to do 5 sets of 20 because before we started, you told me. So you didn't tell me how many sets and reps.
Here I like to do 4 sets of 12.
4 sets of 12. So see how we drop? And again, you don't push for 12. If your form is going out, stop at 8, stop at 7. But push, go max, heavy. The whole idea is light to heavy is pre-exhaust, and then you push.
Yeah, and then if the 12 reps is too easy, make sure you're going up in weight. So add more weight.
Perfect. Now we're going to move on to our third exercise. We're going to do flat dumbbell flies. Right, bro? I messed up.
Yeah.
Oh, we're supposed to do some calories. Yeah. Let's go. Flat dumbbell flies. Lay down on a bench. See, जिस तरह वो लेटे हैं, dumbbell पहले पट्टों में रखें, and then you lay down with the dumbbells. Hold, pause, squeeze your chest. So don't just go back and forth like you're a freaking penguin. Stretch, squeeze. See the form? It's so slow. So you got to make sure it's slow. You stretch the muscle, pause, keep the tension there. The longer the muscle stays under stress, the more damage you're going to do. Damage in a good way means the more strands you're going to break. Stretch, pause, and squeeze back. See, whenever he starts, जब भी उन्होंने start करना है, यहीं से पहले chest को tight करके रखना है. ये नहीं कि यहाँ पे आके stretch करा के squeeze. So it's tight and you stretch and squeeze. That way, again, it becomes a quality. You cannot do too many reps. You cannot do too many sets. Whatever we recommend, just do that. औकात से बढ़ के, don't do too much, you know what, and one day you're going to build your chest. That doesn't work like this. He's been training for a very long time. That's why he's big. People who compete, people who are big, people who have a very good physique, it's not, pyramid wasn't built in a day. Just remember that. We always say that. It took them 2 days because the first day, the Lowe's truck was late. Stretch, sorry, and squeeze. That's about it.
That's perfect.
Now, so it took them 2 days, right?
2 days.
Maybe freaking Lowe's, man.
Maybe 3.
I always buy stuff from Home Depot. Now we're going to finish it off with the last exercise of the day, which is your regular chest presses. Here we go. And Simbo's late. This lady comes very slow. Why is that? Why is that? Simbo, say sorry.
Sorry.
Loud.
Sorry.
Yeah, see? You get a roaster too. Stretch and squeeze. Oh, awesome. See? Pre-exhaust, cross cable flies, 5 sets of 20. Moving on to incline presses, dumbbell presses, 4 sets of 10 up to 12. Then flat flies. That's your third exercise. We're going to finish it off with your regular chest presses. This is a very common machine. आपको हर किसी gym में ये machine बड़ी easily available मिल जाएगी. Stretch. Look at the quality. See, elbows go in. The tension stays on your chest throughout. Here you go. Stretch and squeeze. Stretch and squeeze. There's no point going back and forth if you're not feeling it in the muscle. So you got to keep your muscle tight all the time from the first rep to the very last rep. And we're going to do 7 sets of 700 reps, right?
700.
Oh, here we go.
Maybe
800.
701.
So, what do you recommend? How many sets and repetitions?
This, I like to do 15 reps.
15 reps. How
Yeah,
many
nice
sets?
and controlled, 4 sets.
4 sets. Again, see when we talk about 12 reps, 15 reps, do not lift lighter weights, because as a beginner, if you lift lighter weights and you finish this off, this is a 20-minute workout. Quality is, the key behind any successful workout is you give your body time. Time yourself and go slowly, because as you increase the weight, you need a longer break to recover. Chart exercises, 5 by 20, 4 by 10 to 12, 4 by 10 to 12, and 4 sets of?
12.
Here we go. 12, 15, whatever, man, it doesn't really matter. You know.
want to kind of guide by what your body's capable of. So, you know, if you're getting to that 12 mark, you want to always try to aim to be around failure. So I always try to fail at that 12 mark.
Awesome.
So if you're not failing at the 12 mark, okay, maybe you get 14, maybe you get 15, maybe you got 17, and that means you wouldn't go heavy enough. So make sure you're always adding more weight to make sure you're around that 12 to 15 mark.
And again, if you try this workout, this is Regan Grimes Special, you try this workout and you still don't have big chest, call him and complain. 416-967-1111. Once again, hashtag +1 416-967-1111. YouTube hमें subscribe. That's pizza. YouTube हमें subscribe करना मत भूले. My Bollywood Body. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Regan Grimes at Instagram. What is it?
Regan G Bodybuilding.
I'm gonna memorize this. Regan G Bodybuilding on Instagram.
And not Regan, R-E-G-A-N.
Exactly. These are a bunch of fobs. They won't freaking know. Regan, whatever you want to call it.